the eyes of the nation are on Houston and Southeast Texas, and the nation's hearts, thoughts, and prayers are with you this week.
This is the San Jacinto River that has overflowed on the 59 feeder going south, and it is so bad.
So far we haven't. We're over here at 288 southbound. We're here by 610. As you can see, it's flooded. The wind is strong. We went to the other side. There's no entry where you could go and try to exit to another exit. Everything is closed. Everything is bad, flooded, pretty bad.
Hold on just a second. Are you guys headed down to the truck right here? No. There's a truck driver stuck here in about 10 feet of water. I'm going to try to get his attention. There is now water filling his cab. Here they come. I am terrified for him, so I can't imagine. And here he comes. I feel like I can finally breathe. Sir, thank God you're okay. How does it feel to be on land?
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah.
What went through your mind when you saw that water?
Lord help me. And I just thank God that you guys was right here to get me, put me back on land safe. I just appreciate you.
This is gonna sound weird, but can I hug you? I am so happy you're okay.
Actually, this awesome family, I want to just give it up for these guys, two brothers and their father. They are from Austin. They have not slept. They just came down here because they've got 2 flat bottom boats and a Sea-Doo, and they know people need help.
Man, we out here helping our old lady. She was finna drown. You good, man? Scared? We got you though. Houston, Texas. Right on, we gotta stick together.
Yeah. I got like 4 kids in the truck right now. No problem.
Yeah, we thank God. We thank God. And this is unreal. Yeah, this is all we got. We lost the car, all the clothes, school clothes, everything gone. Everything gone. Where do you go now? We don't know. We don't know. But you're thankful. Yeah. We thankful. God good. Jeremiah, thank you. God good. Junior, thank you. Good luck to you.